Jurors considering their verdicts in the defamation case between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have been sent home for the weekend. Due to Monday's U.S. federal holiday, Memorial Day, the jury will return to continue its deliberations on Tuesday, 31 May. Closing proceedings on Friday, Judge Penney Azcarate reminded jurors of their obligation to consider all the evidence before reaching their conclusions, and forbade them from using outside sources for research purposes. Lawyers for both actors also implored for the other side to take responsibility for their actions. Following a 6-week-long multi-million-dollar trial, with Depp, 58, and Heard, 36, making shocking allegations on both sides, the star's lawyers made one final impassioned plea in their closing speeches. For Depp, attorney Camille Vasquez called Heard an abuser and a deeply troubled person desperate for attention. Heard's lawyer Ben Rottenborn, meanwhile, read out dark texts from the actor about wanting to burn his now ex-wife, adding, "While Heard isn't perfect, if Johnny abused her one time, she wins." The day began with Vasquez at the stand. "There is an abuser in this courtroom, but it is not Mr. Depp. And there is a victim of domestic abuse in this courtroom, but it is not Ms. Heard," she said. She said the evidence has shown Ms. Heard is in fact the abuser. Depp suffered persistent verbal, physical and emotional abuse during their time together, she added. And when the pair's relationship was over, she inflicted greatest and cruelest injury of all by falsely naming him as an abuser, she concluded. Ms. Vasquez then played audio recordings to the jury of what she claimed was Heard admitting to being physically violent with Depp. In one recording, Heard said, "I'm sorry I hit you. I just reacted in response to my foot." In another, she can be heard saying she was hitting Depp, not punching him. Heard's lawyer, Mr. Rottenborn, meanwhile, closed his argument by asking jurors to think about the message Depp and his legal team are sending to Heard and by extension to victims of domestic abuse: "If you didn't take pictures, it didn't happen." He went on, "If you did take pictures, they're fake. If you didn't tell your friends, you're lying. And if you did tell your friends, they're part of the hoax." "If you didn't seek medical treatment, you weren't injured. If you did seek medical treatment, you're crazy." He added, "In Mr. Depp's world, you don't leave Mr. Depp. And if you do, he will start a campaign of global humiliation against you. A smear campaign." "He will do everything he can to destroy your life, to destroy your career." Mr. Rottenborn later took the jury through messages between Depp and his friend and fellow actor Paul Bettany. One message said, "Let's burn Amber," while another said, "Let's drown her before we burn her. I will F her burnt corpse afterwards to make sure she is dead." He read another message after Heard and Depp had split up, which said, Hopefully that CS rotting corpse is decomposing in the F-trunk of a Honda Civic. These words are a window into the heart and mind of America's favorite pirate, Mr. Rottenborn says. This is the real Johnny Depp.